Today, a demonstration will be done by our experts, a crazy in love couple.
What do you do when your heart is loving someone so helplessly?
What do you do when your heart is beating so fast just thinking of him?
What do you do if you see her every morning, even in your cereal bowl?
In these chronic cases, there's only one thing to do.
What is it?
We should.
Yes.
We parrot law.
If you scroll down from your home screen, you will see a familiar looking setting button. And if you click that button,
Like this, honey?
oh, you are the cleverest, sweetie pie. If you click that button, you will see add accessories, like adding you to my heart, my most precious. Click on add accessories and it will pair your gamepad or keyboard and mouse with your TV.
If I want to pair my phone, how, honey?
Oh. To pair your phone, first, you need to make sure that both your phone and your Sharp Android TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can now cast your phone to your Sharp Android TV. It's so simple, honey.
So heroic. Aww, it's so beautifully paired.
Like our hearts.
That was a demonstration on how to pair your device to your TV via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, done by our experts, the Sweet Lovebirds. Sharp's Android TV. It's so easy, anyone can be an expert.